Hey guys, it's me again. Don't mind the people in the background. They're just people and they're really, really loud. And if there's a bug on this side, I'm very sorry. Let me fix that for you dudes. There we go. So today we are going to be playing some Woodycraft again. So in this Woodycraft, we are going to be playing. I don't know. Let's try something different today. Let's try. Hmm. Let's try. Let's try Blitz. That sounds good. Never tried Blitz. Never. Never tried Blitz. This is called Blitz. See that I'm in here. Whoa, there they go. They're off in Blitz, and the guy died at the star. I don't get. I know. And I'm spectating. When this round is over, I am going to do stuff in this. It's all up to this dude, and I think. And there you go. And James has won the game with 499 points. Good for him. Got really used up. And GG. Let's get in. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this. 2, 1, go. And there you go. I got 38 points, third place. Game over. GG. I thought I could do the parkour here. And, and don't mind them. So, this is actually a really bad recording. I don't know why, just really bad recording. Now we are going to do this. Not, not right now. Blitz it, blitz it, blitz it. No! I totally jumped on that one. Wow. Okay, girls are annoying. That's a fact. This is the most messed up recording that was ever made by mankind. I can't believe it. And this should have never, ever, ever happened. So, I'm out. 103 points. Well, they're still going. Just wow. Oh, he's trapped. He's trapped. No. Oh, he managed to escape out of it with that 4 block jump. Wow, he's doing really, really, really good. I might have to pause this recording like early because they're being like it's so loud. Like, yeah. Post down in the comments if you can hear background sound. Like, seriously. they're like they're like I need to get my Christmas wish. But nope. And game over. And yeah. Oh, there we go. Let's see if it shows me. No. Wow. That's sad. Still. Oh, what? That sucks. Woodycraft on net is the server? Check out behavior and check out behavior crescent 7. And girls are really annoying. And yeah. Can you guys turn it down? She didn't even turn it down. Yes, I did. Sorry, just my friend's sister and. Ugh. Wait, there's lots of sounds and noises, and I just can't do it. So let's do this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Aw, dang. Oh, 200. That's my new high score. Let's just watch the people. Let's just watch this people when they finish. Like, ugh. Well, thank you, dudes, for watching. This was the most jacked up recording I ever did. So I hope you get and bye.